All right, good day everybody, and welcome back to Mathematics class with Teacher Matthew. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 12.3, describing equal groups. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. Look at these bags of apples. What do you notice? We'll notice we have 3 bags of 4 apples, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 bags of 4 apples. So how many bags are there? We have 3 bags. And how many apples are in each bag? 4. 4 apples in each bag. How could you figure out the total number of apples without counting each apple? The raccoon said you could count in steps of 4. That's 4, 8, 12. So therefore, 3 bags of 4 apples is 12 apples. Wow, that's good. Good job, raccoon. Now, how could you arrange these apples into different equal groups? And the tiger said, you could make 2 bags of 6 apples. Yes, that's correct. 2 bags of 6 apples. Let's count in steps of 6. So we have 6, 12. That's correct. 12 apples in total. Okay, now let's take a look at the workout. Workout number 1. Write numbers to describe the equal groups. So part A, what can you see? How many bags can you see and how many apples in each bag? That's correct. So we have 2 bags of 4 apples equals 8. 2 bags of 4 apples equals 8. When we count in steps of 4, count 2 times, make 2 jumps, 4 and 8. Now part B, what can you see? And how many boxes are there? We have 3 boxes. And how many pineapples in each box? 3 pineapples. That's correct. So let's count in step of 3. So we have 3, 6, 9. So we have 3 boxes of 3 apples is 9. Now let's take a look at part C. How many bunches can you see? That's correct. 3 bunches of 4 bananas. 3 bunches of 4 bananas. So what is the total number of bananas there? That is 12. So 3 bunches of 4 bananas is equal to 12. When we count in step of 4, we make 3 jumps, 4, 8, 12. So we get the total number to be 12. Now part D. How many packs of oranges are there? 3 packs. And how many oranges in each pack? That's correct, 5 oranges. So when we count in step of 5, we have 5, 10, 15. So 3 packs of 5 oranges is 15. That's correct. Okay, please write this down. You can pause the video now and write this in your book right now. Pause the video and write it down. Okay, now let's go to workout number 2. Number 2, draw pictures to match, then write the total. So for part A, we have 3 bags of 2 apples. So let's draw 3 bags of 2 apples. 3 bags of 2 apples will look like this. So when we count in steps of 2, we have 2, 4, 6. So therefore, 3 bags of 2 apples equals 6. Part B, 2 stacks of 5 blocks. So let's draw 2 stacks of 5 blocks. Now let's count in fives. We have 5, 10. Therefore, 2 stacks of 5 blocks is equal to 10. That's correct. Now part C, 1 group of 4 people. So let's draw 1 group of 4 people. Therefore, a group of 4 people is equal to 4. Now part D, 5 jars of 5 shells. So now let's draw 5 jars of 5 shells. We have something like this on the screen. Therefore, let's count in steps of 5. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's correct. So therefore, 5 jars of 5 shells is 25. So you can pause the video now and draw. Draw in your book right now. Pause the video. Now let's go to the fast finishers. Now arrange these boxes into equal groups. Complete the sentence. Draw a picture to show your thinking. So before we continue, let's start. Let's count how many blocks are there. How many cubes are there? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 cubes. So how can we put 10 cubes into equal groups? So we can draw a picture like this, put them in 5 groups of 2. 5 groups of 2. So now let's count in steps of 2's. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's correct. So 5 group of 2 is 10. You can draw it now. I'm waiting, and write it down in your book. So when you're done, you can bring out your practice book. Practice 12.3. Open to page 63. Now, practice 1. Write numbers to describe the equal groups. So, part A, what do we write? Everybody, do it first, then teacher will do the correction. I give you 1 minute to do part A and B. Quick, quick, quick. Part A and B, do it first. Do it yourself, and I'll do the correction. Do it now. Okay, so part 1A. What do you write? Did you get the same as teacher? 2 jars of 2 is 4. Well done if you get it right. Good job. Now part B. What did you get? What did you write? How many stacks? 5 stacks of 2 is 10. Is that correct? Well done. Good job. Okay, good job everybody. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2. So everybody, I would like you to do it one more time. Do it yourself first. And write the total. And we can do the correction later. Do it now. Come on. I'm waiting. Go ahead and do it. You can pause the video first and do it. Okay, if you're done, now let's continue. Part 2A, 1 jar of 3 shells is, how do we draw it? It looks like this. 1 jar of 3 shells is 3. And part B, 5 jars of 4 apples. We draw 5 jars and 4 apples in each jar, in each bag. And it's equal to 20. Now part C, 2 stacks of 3 blocks is 6. Part D, 3 pots of 4 flowers. As you can see, 3 pots of 4 flowers is equal to 12. Okay, good job everybody. If you are not done, you can pause the video now and do it. And if you're done, then I'll see you in the next class. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye, everybody.